Hi guys, it's me Ashley, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own slime. I don't know if you requested me, haven't seen my videos a long time. I'm just going to say requested. I know no one has requested. Just going to say it. A lot of people have requested me in the comments to make slime, and I'm going to make you some slime. So, how to make slime, you will need some glue. I will make a lot of you. Glue. Some food coloring. You just take the things out of the markers. And come here back. Sorry. My room's kind of a mess. I'm just waiting for my sister to come in. Okay, come into this title. Yes, hi. No le pongo nada. Okay. Hi, that's me too. Okay. So we just got candy. My sister. I don't know if my sister told you already. Me and Amy. And my sister's coming right back. She's going to the bathroom. She already told that you need color food. Sorry. Well, actually, my sister got glue from her class. Sorry. And this is the glue bottle my sister got. Okay, and you're gonna need a invisible ball. I'm gonna show you the color. We have red, and two blacks. Oops, two blacks. You can see, I don't know, get it. And then one aqua. So let's get started what I was saying. So the things that you're going to be using is glue, food coloring, this little powder, and this is for wash. So let me put this in here so you can see. Let's see if I can. So the things that you're going to be using first, and also you're going to container and a colored pencil. Or just like a pencil, but I'm just using colored pencils because I like using colored pencils. So I'm going to be putting inside the glue. You're going to be putting it inside. So it has, or it's nothing. So I'm throwing it off. I used, and I have here some of my slime. So I will make a lot. Oh, they cut. So you're gonna be adding, it doesn't have a lot now, and I'm just gonna get a color. Then you're gonna be throwing the little dots, however you want. So let's go. Let's see if it works. And it should work. Not like half of it. It doesn't want to work. So I want to use the black one. My favorite color. It didn't come out. Confirm it. And there's and now it's time to mix. Let's mix it. You can also use a spoon, but I'm using a color pencil. And you need to hide all the glue. So it looks like gray. So then, when it's all, it doesn't have no more, I'm going to put this little powder, a little, not too much, like that, it's fine. And then you're going to mix it, I forgot, you're going to mix it, like, and then it's going to look like that, it's just going to go sticky now. And then you're going to put a little bit of this. So, a little, not too much. Just like a little bit. Tiny little bit. Not too much because if you put, it's just going to be like... And it's just like a cup. Oh, got it now. Así. Oh, ¿quién vas a dejarlo? Please. Porque no te miro, abuela. So you're just going to put a little bit. I put a little bit in here. It also you're just going to drop it. You can see it's falling. Not too much, how I said. So then you're going to mix it again. Just going to mix it. And it's kind of getting like slime. If you need a little bit, you can add a little bit more. Let's just mix it. And it doesn't have too much, but it doesn't matter. Ya, te miro, abuela. No, cierra la puerta. And I want to add a little bit more. Oops, add a little bit more. See, right there. So let's go. It's good. And it's getting a little slimy. And also you're going to be using a white shirt if you want to. Well, I'm just using this. Why is it so dark? Let me open my little windows for a little bit. I don't know, but it doesn't matter. So here's the slime, and it out. So then when it's like all dry, you can touch it. And then you need to make sure it doesn't stick on your hands. It's in that no color. And there you have your slime. It's not black out and everything. It's the slime. Six is squishy. I like the aqua one. No, me la aqua, please. So make sure you don't put it taking on my aqua that I made. I like this aqua one. I like this one too. It's like so small. And I don't know when I'm making one. Another with shampoo or I don't know, skin is luck or salt. So yeah. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.